Hi guys, we continue to review budget equipment, a quite famous company, Dragonhawk. Today I will tell you about the rotary tattoo machine with a new water drop design. Its name is Mast P15. This pen is very small and fits for permanent makeup and tattoo artists. Stay until the end of the video, I will tell you more details. Let's start. My name is Olga Yakovleva. I'm permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video is a subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. Let's talk about the box, because we already talked about the company Dragonhawk in last video review. From the outside, it's a standard white box, as in many of our videos. Inside the box, warranty card in English, Russian and Chinese. The second box with a clip cord. With connector RCA, the foam rubber, it protects tattoo machine from damage during transportation. Our Mast P15 is a pink-purple color. Its length 94 millimeters. I'm feeling really small and lightweight. The glossy water drop design. So I will talk more about Mast P15. You will don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I will tell you very interesting information and share relevant content with you. The company Dragonhawk informs the machine weight is 74 grams. We will check it on the scales. The weight is correct. The new water drop design makes increasing the comfort of holding the grip. The motor is located at the bottom of the case to lower the center of gravity and reduce vibration when driving. But for me the vibration is quite noticeable, but more on that later. Also, Dragonhawk writes on the official site that this machine uses the Carol's motor favored by Mast and enjoys stable performance and full force. Its price is about $77, but if you want to buy the kit with Mast P15, its price will be about $149. The Mast P15 has three colors: black, black-red and pink-purple. Diameter of grips is 23 millimeters. We can sterilize the grip. The company Dragonhawk doesn't give any information about the sterilizes the grip. Therefore, I base it on my experience, and I used disinfectant and autoclave, and I don't use the high temperature sterilizer box because it can affect the color of grips. The stroke length is 3.5 millimeters. This is a factory setting that we cannot change. This tattoo machine is hybrid. The maximum voltage is 9 volts. The operating voltage depends on the speed of your hand. I will talk about this in the next video reviews. This equipment works with different power supplies and compatible with many cartridges. If you want to improve your professional level in permanent makeup or get a new profession, permanent makeup artist, I'm waiting for you on my online courses in English and Russian. I will show and talk simple about the most difficult. Let's turn on it. I will work with the power supply from Dragonhawk. I'm turning on voltage 4.5. The cartridge is from Defender company. The tattoo machine has vibration and noise. I think this is too much for a small device. Guys, let's go. First test the shading. I'm using the needle protrusion about 3 mm for good flow pigment. Well, let's sum up our video review. Mast P15 is from Chinese company. The machine weight is 74 grams. It's a really light and small tattoo machine, but this machine has vibration and noise. This is too much for a small device. Its price is about $77. Mast P15 copes with powder, but for me uncomfortable to work with liner technicians due to vibration. Maybe it's a matter of habit. It works with different power supplies and compatible with many cartridges from famous companies. This tattoo machine is light and small, therefore it's well for PMU and tattoo artists which only beginner to work, but your hand need to get used to vibration. I will leave links where you can buy this device from video description. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.